Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'd like to introduce a home remedy powder for bedbugs. And it's a white powder, and it's a naturally occurring mineral, commonly used in household cleaning products and DIY remedies for its cleaning and insecticidal properties. And you guessed it right, it's borax. If borax proves its efficacy, it could be an ideal solution for bedbug issues, offering affordability and easy accessibility, all while providing a safer and more natural alternative to chemical insecticides. Now, it's time to put borax to the test and see if it lives up to its promises. In this video, we'll investigate whether borax can truly eliminate bedbugs once and for all. And following that, we'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use borax effectively to eradicate a bedbug infestation. Without any further delay, let's dive right into the video and say farewell to the bedbug problem. Let's get started. Bedbugs can become a horrible experience, disrupting your sleep and causing significant stress. And these troublesome insects hide in various places, coming out at night to bite and causing physical discomfort, potentially affecting your mental well-being. And rather than opting for costly chemical professional treatments, why not explore budget-friendly DIY methods like borax or diatomaceous earth? So what is borax? Borax, also known as sodium borate, or sodium tetraborate, is a naturally occurring mineral composed of boron, sodium, oxygen, and water. Borax has been used for centuries for various purposes, including cleaning, laundry, and as a component in many household products. Its cleaning and disinfecting properties have made it popular as a household cleaner and a laundry booster. Additionally, borax is known for its insecticidal properties and has been used as a natural remedy to control pests like ants, cockroaches, and, yes, bedbugs. So, does borax work against bedbugs? Borax affects bedbugs primarily through its desiccant properties. Borax also acts as an abrasive, damaging the outer layers of insects' exoskeletons, leading to dehydration and death. And when bedbugs come into contact with borax, it can cause damage to their exoskeleton, leading to the loss of moisture from their bodies. Bedbugs have a waxy outer layer that helps retain moisture, and when this layer is damaged by borax, they can lose water rapidly, leading to severe dehydration and eventually death. The process is slow and may take several days to be effective. However, it's important to note that borax is not a quick-acting insecticide like some other type of chemical insecticide, and it may not be as effective against bedbugs hiding in hard-to-reach places, or those protected by bedbug eggs or other debris. So, for optimal results, it's essential to complement the use of borax with other methods, such as vacuuming, steam cleaning, encasing your bed, and of course, employing bedbug interceptor cups. And if you've attempted to use borax to get rid of bedbugs, we'll be more than happy to read your messages and respond to them. So feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Freezing is another popular solution for eliminating bedbugs, and it's popular against bedbugs because it's a non-toxic, cost-effective and accessible method that kills both adult bedbugs and their eggs. To learn more, be sure to check out our linked video on freezing bedbugs that I'll link in the description and in the video below. How to use borax for bedbugs. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify infested areas. Before applying borax, identify the areas where bedbugs are present. Focus on cracks, crevices, seams, and other hiding spots near beds and furniture. Step 2. Clean the area. Thoroughly clean the infested areas to remove any dust, debris, or clutter. This will ensure that borax can come into direct contact with the bedbugs. Step 3. Wear protective gear. Before handling borax, wear gloves and a dust mask to protect your skin and respiratory system. Step 4. Apply borax. Sprinkle a thin layer of borax in the infested areas, paying special attention to the bed frame, mattress seams, headboard, and baseboard. Avoid excessive application, as too much borax can be counterproductive and may actually pose a severe risk to humans and your loving pets. Step 5. Let it sit. Allow the borax to sit undisturbed for at least 24 to 48 hours. During this time, the borax will work to damage the bedbug's exoskeleton and cause dehydration. Step 6. Vacuum. After the waiting period, vacuum up the borax and any dead bedbugs, and dispose of the vacuum bag or empty the canister immediately in an outdoor trash bin to prevent reinfestation. Step 7. Repeat if necessary. For severe infestations, you may need to repeat the process multiple times to achieve better results. And step 8. Safety precautions. Always keep borax out of reach of children and pets, and avoid direct skin contact or ingestion. If accidental contact occurs, wash thoroughly with water. So in conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable solution to tackle bedbugs and happen to have borax readily available, why not give it a try? Discover a comprehensive video, double-sided tape to trap bedbugs. This video will provide you with all the necessary information to help you successfully tackle bedbug infestations all on your own. The video will be linked in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more DIY pest control tips and tricks. And for budget-friendly and natural DIY remedies against bedbugs, be sure to check out our website at CiaoBedBugs.com. Until next time, wishing you all the best in your fight against bedbugs, Bedbug fan.